Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Valorant on Linux. So first up, it's not possible to play Valorant on Linux using compatibility layers like Wine or Proton because its anti-cheat system Vanguard requires deep kernel level access that is specific to Windows operating system and does not work on Linux. Riot Games has indicated that they have no plans to support Linux in the foreseeable future. The only reliable methods to play Valorant on a computer running Linux are dual booting and cloud gaming services. For dual booting, it involves installing Windows alongside your Linux distribution. This is the most common and reliable method as it allows you to run the game natively on Windows without any compatibility issues or anti-cheat conflicts. Pros: official support, full performance, and no anti-cheat issues. Cons: you must restart your computer every time you want to switch between Linux and Windows. Number 2. Cloud gaming services. You can use cloud gaming services like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming to stream the game from a remote server running Windows. This option depends on the game being available on the service's library and requires a stable high-speed internet connection to minimize input lag. Pros: no complex setup, runs within your Linux environment. Cons: potential input delay dependent on internet quality and game availability on the service. For most users, dual booting is the most practical and safe solution for playing Valorant while keeping Linux as their primary operating system for other tasks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.